Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get an API key, or rather a personal access token, on Airtable. So let's get right into it. Now, Airtable has migrated from API keys to personal access tokens, so the old API keys don't work and you do need to migrate them. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the developer hub. If you click your account icon in the top right, you should see a developer hub icon over there and click on it. However, I don't see it, so I'm just going to use this link over here on this online guide. And as you can see, this takes me to the builder hub. The link for this is airtable.com/create/tokens if you want to. And as you can see, to create an access token, you literally just have to click create token. You then name it. Let's just say test. Then you need to add scopes. You can add scopes whichever you want. Really doesn't matter. But once you've added all that you want, you can allow access to a base. And I'll just use this untitled base. And once you set up everything, including the name, scopes, and access, you just click create token. And as you can see, you have this token over here. And once you copy it, click done. And that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.